At 3:40, the hour and minute hands of a clock are inclined at its angle between the hour hand and minutes hand, he was asking. So at 3:40, let us consider the clock here, and we know that the hour hand, the angle traced by the hour hand, let's consider this is the hour hand. So for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. For 12 hours it will make 360 degrees. So let us assume that the angle traced by the hour hand in 12 hours is equal to 360 degrees. That is, in 1 hour is equal to 360 by 12, that is 30 degrees. Therefore, the angle traced by the hour hand or hand in 3 hours 40 minutes, 3 hours 40 minutes, so that is 3 plus 40 minutes is nothing but 40 by 60 hours. So that is 3 plus 2 by 3, or we can write 3 3 is 9 plus 2, 11 by 3 hours, which equals to 11 by 3 into 30 degrees, which is equal to 110 degrees. And now we also can assume that the minute hand, so this is the minute hand, so for 1 minute, 2 minutes and so on, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60 minutes. For 160 minutes it takes one complete rotation. So I can write now the angle traced by the minute hand in 60 minutes is equal to 360 degrees. That is, in 1 minute is equal to 360 by 60, that's a 6 degrees. So therefore we can write the angle traced by the minute hand in 40 minutes. So we shall see for 40 minutes, which equals to 40 into 6 degrees, that is 240 degrees. And therefore now the angle traced by the hour hand is 110 degrees, and the angle traced by the minute hand is 240 degrees. Therefore both the hands are inclined at, therefore the hour hand and minute hand are both inclined at an angle. The difference of these two angles, that is 240 degrees minus 110 degrees, so which can be considered, so 130 degrees. So 130 degrees is nothing but we can write it as, so let me write here, so 130 degrees is nothing but 130 into 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radians. So we can write, so 13 pi by 18. So 13 pi by 18 radians we can give the answer, or 130 degrees or 13 pi by radians. So we can go with an option C. Option C is the right answer. Okay, thank you. Thank you.